Hello and welcome to Pabbly Connect. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest action event added by Pabbly Connect team in OpenAI, using which you can extract some content from PDF or image files. Yes, that's right. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple automation using which just by uploading some image or PDF file in your Google Drive, you can extract the content or the details from that PDF or image file and add those details in your Google spreadsheet over here. Now to get started with this, here you can see that I have created an automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect, where I have selected Google Drive as a trigger application and new file in specific folder as the trigger event. Then after that, we have selected this particular folder on which we are uploading a new PDF or image file. So using this, what is going to happen whenever we are going to upload a PDF over here, automatically the same file will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So in this video, our use case is I'm uploading some payment receipt PDFs in this Google Drive folder. And I want to extract the details like the customer name, the payment details, and date and time from this PDF file and add those details in my Google spreadsheet. And to process this document, to process this PDF and extract the details, we are going to use OpenAI. And we are going to automate this complete process using this Pabbly Connect automation. So after setting up the Google Drive trigger application, the trigger step, and capturing the response of a new file, what we have to do, we have to basically change the share permission of this file because we are going to send this file to OpenAI. So in the next step, we have used Google Drive's actions event of share a file with anyone. And using this action event, we have basically changed the share permission of the exact same file which we have uploaded in Google Drive. And here we have changed it to anyone with the link. After changing the share permission, we have to send this file to OpenAI. For that, just click on this Add Action Step button over here and then here in Choose app, search for OpenAI. Just select it. After selecting OpenAI, an action event from the dropdown, select the action event as Extract Content from PDF or Image. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get it, just go to your OpenAI account. After coming to OpenAI, just go to Dashboard and from the left sidebar, go to API key. After coming to this API key section, just click on this Create New Secret Key button and give this secret key a name. Let's say I would like to name my secret key as PDF Extractor. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder or the project of your OpenAI account, select the permission as all and click on Create Secret Key. As you click on Create Secret Key, the API key is generated over here. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as you click on Save here, you can see that our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is OpenAI model, that using which model we want to process this PDF or image documents. And in this dropdown right now, we have 4 options: GPT-4o Mini, GPT-4o, O1 and GPT-4 Turbo. So I'm going to use the model as GPT-4o over here. Using GPT-4o from OpenAI, we are going to process this PDF or image files. Then it is asking us for the image or PDF file URL. So here we have to enter the publicly accessible and downloadable link of the PDF or the image file which we want to send to OpenAI. Now, if you are uploading your files specifically on Google Drive and you are adding the Google Drive PDF files or image files over here in this automation, in this OpenAI action step, in that case, what we have to do, we have to basically paste this particular link over here. And after pasting this link over here, at the end, after ID equals 2, we have to enter the unique ID of the PDF document or the image file. Now here we have received the unique file ID from the trigger step responses of Google Drive. When we have captured the response of a new file in the trigger step, we have received the response of ID as well. So from this dropdown, we have to map this response of ID over here in this link. So the initial part of the link will be same, but the last file ID, the last unique file ID will be keep on changing over here. We have to map it. And using this particular link only, we have to basically send the Google Drive files to OpenAI. If you're uploading the file on some other platform from which you are getting the publicly accessible or downloadable link, then in that case, you can just directly enter that complete link or complete URL over here. But specifically for Google Drive files, you have to enter the link over here like this. And at last, you have to map the file ID. after changing the share permission of the file using share a file with anyone. After entering the PDF file URL over here it is asking us to give this a prompt. Now, what do we want OpenAI to do with this file? Whether we want to summarize it, whether we want to extract some details, whether we want to process it or generate some more content, what do we want to do? We have to enter it over here. So I've already created a prompt. Let me enter that prompt over here. Okay, so this is the prompt which I want to send with this PDF file to OpenAI. The prompt says, extract the details from this PDF and give me the details in JSON response. Do not add anything extra like space JSON or extra spaces and refer to the example JSON provided to create JSON response. So here what we have done, we have basically mentioned that we want OpenAI to extract some details from this PDF file. And we have asked the details which we are extracting, which we are receiving in JSON format. Now we are asking this data in JSON format because we are basically extracting multiple details and we want to add those details in our Google spreadsheet. So if we get the extracted data from OpenAI in a JSON format, then we get each and every individual detail. We get individual response for each and every field, each and every detail. And it is easier for us to send that data to any other application like Google Sheet in the next step. So that's why we are asking it for the response in JSON format. And also what we have done, we have basically given this example JSON that what are the details and in which particular JSON format we want to receive the data. I want to receive the extracted details. So we have created this JSON body. In this JSON body, we are asking the details like the name, email address, mobile number, then the payment method, amount, currency, product name, and date and time of the payment at receipt. So we want to extract these details from this PDF file. We are mentioning this in the prompt and we want to get the extracted data in JSON format. Now, after entering our prompt and entering the PDF file URL, just click on this save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. And the response is received. And in this response, we will scroll down and you can see all the details which we have mentioned in the JSON body. You can see we have individual field, individual responses of all of those details extracted from the same PDF which we have uploaded in Google Drive. So you can see from OpenAI, we have extracted the name of the person, email address, phone number, payment method, amount, currency, product name, and also the date and time over here. And we have basically received individual responses, individual key value pairs or individual fields in this JSON response. So in this way, we have basically sent the PDF file to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, we have extracted the details from that PDF file and received the response in Pabbly Connect. Now let's move to the final step where we want to send all of those details and add these details in our Google spreadsheet. For that, we will scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button over here. Here in Choose App, we will search for Google Sheets. After selecting Google Sheets, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Now after that, here in this pop-up window, select your Google Sheets account, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the spreadsheet. So in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, the spreadsheet in which we want to add the extracted data is named as Payment Receipts. So here from this drop-down, I'm going to select the spreadsheet over here. Now here in this spreadsheet, you can notice that there is only one sheet named as Sheet 1. So that's why in this next field of Select Sheet in this drop-down, we have only one option of Sheet 1 and we are going to select it. Then after that, all the columns of data which we have created in this Google Sheet, you can see all of these columns are added as fields over here. And the data from the PDF which we have extracted and received from OpenAI, one by one, we have to basically add all of this data, all of these details over here into this Google Sheets action step. And for that, we are going to use a process of mapping. Just click on this field of date and time, and here from the drop-down from OpenAI responses, we have received the extracted data of date and time from the PDF. And here you can see this is the exact same date and time which we have mapped over here, which we had in our PDF document. So here you can see the date was 10th of April 2024 at 3:26 p.m. was the time. And you can see the extracted data from OpenAI is also the same. So in this way, one by one, from OpenAI responses, we are going to map all the details. We are going to map the name, then here in email, we are going to map the email address, then let's map the mobile number, select it and map it. Then we are going to map the response of product name. Let's map the product name, then payment method and select and map the response of payment method. Then we're going to map the response of amount. After amount, we are going to map the response of currency. And at last, after mapping the currency, we are going to add the file link. Now we are going to add the file link which we have received from Google Drive after using this share a file with anyone action step. So from here, we have received this web view link. We are going to select it and map it over here. In this way, for each and every field, for each and every column, we have entered the respective data which we have extracted from the PDF file and received from OpenAI. And we have also added the link or the publicly accessible link of the particular document, PDF document, which we have, from which we have extracted the data. After mapping all of these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, basically the data which we have extracted from the PDF file using OpenAI, is now added in our Google spreadsheet. So let's check it. We will just go to a Google Sheet and yes, here you can see that just now a new row of data is added in this Google Sheet and here you can see, and these are the same details which we have extracted from the PDF file. So here you can see in this PDF file, we have the name of the person as demo user. This was the email address, mobile number. The amount was $9.99. The product name was Automation and AI course. And you can see the same details are added in a Google spreadsheet as a new row. And also we have added the file link of that particular PDF file from our Google Drive over here. So in this way, we have successfully created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, using which just by uploading the PDF file or image file in our Google Drive folder, we can automatically send that file to OpenAI. And using OpenAI, we can extract the data as per our requirement by mentioning it into the prompt and add those details in Google Sheets. So after setting up this automation, let's create this automation workflow. Basically, we are going to test this AI agent which we have built. For that, we'll go to our Google Drive folder and we are going to upload a file over here. So I'll just click on this new button and I'm going to upload a file over here. This is the payment receipt file. Let's open it over here. And we are going to upload a new PDF file in this particular Google Drive folder. And the file is uploaded. If I open this file, you can see that we have the details of the user as test user. This is the name, this is the email address, this is the phone number. The product is Advanced Excel course and the amount is 599 rupees. And these are some details. So we have uploaded this PDF file of a payment received in our Google Drive folder and we will see automatically within 10 minutes, the details of the same PDF will be extracted and added in our Google spreadsheet. And it basically takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between Google Drive and Pabbly Connect is a polling-based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for new files in our Google Drive folder every 10 minutes. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so now we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now we'll just go to a Google spreadsheet. And yes, here you can see that in our Google Sheet, a new row of data is added. And here you can see these are the same details which are extracted from the same PDF file which we have uploaded in Google Drive. And this is done by this particular automation, this particular AI agent which we have built in this video. So not only this process, you can basically build AI agents using Pabbly Connect for multiple AI automations as per your requirement, as per your use case. So I hope this video was helpful to you and help you understand that how using OpenAI's extract content from PDF and image action inside Pabbly Connect can help you to basically process the PDF or image document, extract the details, get the summary, or perform multiple actions as per your requirement. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.